Hello, I'm Sheri Barbera. Thank you so much for joining me in our first Creator Mindset interview. Creator Mindset is interviews of small business owners, professionals, and creatives who are using video, particularly YouTube, to share their knowledge, make a difference, and help other people learn something, discover something, or try something new, and make the world a better place. Today, my guest is Kiki Crochet. I found Kiki on the YouTube Creators Facebook group. Hello, Kiki, and welcome to Creator Mindset.
Hello, Sheri, and thank you very much for inviting me.
What are common myths or truths about growing a YouTube channel and getting views?
I think myths and truths, they kind of work together. So one of the first myths that I had ever heard is that in order to upload my videos on YouTube, I would have to pay. I would have to pay certain amounts on Google. I never found out how much I was supposed to pay. So this made me hesitant, and it made me to even more procrastinate to start uploading videos on YouTube. I was thinking, well, I want to do something for free, give out the world free tutorials, free knowledge, and I'm going to pay YouTube to upload videos. So I took the risk and I uploaded the first video, and I thought, well, okay, if I get asked to pay a certain amount, I'm just going to cancel and never upload any videos. So I took the risk, and I found out that you don't need to pay anything. Okay, you can upload all you want for free. The other myth that I heard was that there are so many crochet channels out there. Why would you want to make another one? Why would people be interested in watching your channel? Okay, it's not gonna grow, it's not gonna have people interested in your channel because there are other YouTube channels about crocheting out there. I thought that this was partly true, but then I thought that in the town that I live, there's not only one shoe store, there are many shoe stores. There's not only one big supermarket where you can find everything, there are more than one supermarkets, and people visit all the stores because all the stores have different items. And this is the same thing with the YouTube channels as well. Okay, I have my ideas, I show different things, the other channel shows different things, and this happens that people will always look for new content, for new ideas, okay? I'm not going to be the only person here in Greece to upload videos or worldwide. People are not going to expect everything from me. They're going to go to the other channel because they see that the other channel makes crochet bags or the other channel makes crochet dolls. So every channel has something different to give. Okay, and people will like and will look for variety and for new ideas. So do not listen when somebody says there's so many YouTube channels about your topic. Do not listen to that because every person has his audience, and every person has their own way of giving out to the world what they want to show. The other big myth that I had heard was that people were not going to be able to follow long videos, and that I had to upload videos that were about 5 to 10 minutes. And I sat there and I was thinking, how in the world I would show from the beginning to the end how to crochet a sweater in 10 minutes. And this made me really nervous because I was like, maybe it won't work after all. But then I thought to myself that when I was looking for videos, when I was learning, when I was trying to better my skills, to improve my skills, sorry for my English, that I was looking for long videos. Every time I saw a tutorial that was like 3, 4, 5 minutes, I would never not even open it because I was thinking to myself, how would this person show me how to make a slipper in 5 minutes? So I started uploading my videos, and let me tell you that all my videos are half an hour, an hour. One of my best videos is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Because when you're trying to show somebody step by step how to work about to make a project, you need time. Okay, if you were in a class and you were teaching craft, you wouldn't show them in 5 minutes. That's impossible. So take your time, and it all comes down to the topic that your channel is about. If it's something handmade, you need time to explain. If you're showing something else, sure, you might only need 5 minutes on your video, okay? People will not sit there to listen to you for 10 minutes if you're just rambling to just add minutes to your video, okay? Make your video in the amount of time that you need to explain what you're doing. If you're showing a nice view, take the time to explain people what you're doing for that. You know, it comes down to what your channel is about. So I believe that handmade, channels that have to do with handmade, that they need more time to explain what they're doing. What other myths? I don't know if I can remember of anything else at this point, but those were amongst the biggest myths that I had heard before I start my YouTube channel.
What are truths about growing a YouTube channel and getting views?
Well, you always want to learn new things. There are always things out there that you need to know and you don't even know they exist. When I joined the the Facebook YouTube creator group where we met, there's so many things that I'm finding out from new YouTubers that didn't know that existed, that there are certain pages where you can make nice thumbnails, that you can make nicer and more interesting thumbnails. Let me tell you that 6 years later, you know, about a month ago, I searched on Google and I found out that a thumbnail needs to be in certain dimensions. It needs to have certain measurements. And this is why I was always thinking to myself, well, why is this picture sitting perfect on my thumbnail? And this has so much black, you know, margins on the side. Like, what's wrong with my pictures? And I found out about a month ago that I need to have certain measurements. I wish I had known from the beginning. I wish I had known how to make more attractive, you know, more attractive beginnings on my video, on how to start my videos, because I was always saying, welcome to my channel, today we're gonna learn how to make this and this, and people did not know what I was going to do. They would have to scroll all the way to the end to see what I wanted to show them, okay? And then I found out that when I finish my project, I can go back and start my video tutorial with my finished project and show them what I was doing, what I wanted to show them. And at this point I can't think of anything else, but every day there's a new thing that you find out that you never knew about YouTube. You have to go ahead and search so much to see and try to improve your channel through this. And like I said earlier, there's so many things that I have already learned and seen from new YouTubers, because they take a longer time to find out more information. As of me, what I did was like, okay, I go with the basic rules of YouTube. I'm not taking anything from anybody else. I'm just uploading my videos, and I thought that was just about what I had to do. But there's more to it. You have to actually work to learn more on how to use YouTube to help your channel improve and grow even more. I think that's about it.
And thank you, Kiki Crochet, for sharing your story and joining me from Greece on Creator Mindset. If you have questions for Kiki, just leave them in the comments below. If you want to be notified of the next Creator Mindset interview, subscribe to the YouTube Bootcamp channel. I'm Sheri Barbera, the CEO and founder of YouTube Bootcamp. I'll see you in the next video.